Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to marinate chicken for bacon or fry. So my ingredients are granulated garlic. You're going to need some ground ginger or ginger root. That's what I have here. You're going to need some dried thyme, good quality. You're going to need some smoked paprika, not regular. You need smoked paprika. Right here I have some dried chili peppers that I grinded down myself. You could use red chili flakes or black pepper, but I like that fresh flavor, so I do it myself. And you're also going to need some salt. And yeah, that's what it looks like once you grind it down. Alright, so this is my chicken right here. I'm going to add my grounded chili pepper first. Next, I'm going to add my ground ginger. Child, don't judge me. I know, look at all them big old clumps. I need to shake that bottle up, but don't talk about me. Next, you want to add your dried thyme down in here. I'll put exact measurements in my description box as far as spices, ratio to chicken, and make it easy for you guys to understand. There I just added my smoked paprika. Now I'm adding my granulated garlic. As you can see, I added lots of that because I really like it on my chicken. But, you know, again, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to add your salt. Now, if you're going to bake your chicken, this is where you would add your brown sugar. If you're baking chicken, you see I got this camera sitting right on this clip. If you're going to bake your chicken, use the brown sugar. You add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar if you're baking the chicken. I hope somebody's watching and I'm reiterating. Alright, so anyway guys, so this is what the peppers look like. They come whole. Then I break them down and put them in jars. And when I need to use them, that's when I put them in the mixer and I break them down even more. So yeah, and I got it from the local grocery store. And yep, so I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple chicken marinade video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye guys.